All right, let's look at the homework 2.3, problem number 10. All right, so we want to find the number a so that this limit exists. All right, so let's do that. All right, so as x approaches -2, and you can see that the denominator here, right, approaches, let's see, you have -2 squared 4 minus 2 minus 2, so it's going to approach 0. All right. Then how about the numerator? So numerator is going to approach, let's see, so put the -2 there, so it's going to be at 4 times 4, 16. So maybe I should write that down, 16. And then you have a negative 2a, and then there's a plus a, and also there's a plus 12. Alright, so you can see that this is actually, let's see, so 16 plus 12, so it's a 28 minus a. Right? So if the numerator does not approach 0, the limit will not exist because denominator goes to 0. If the numerator goes to non-zero, then it's going to be either positive infinity or negative infinity. So the numerator has to go to 0 for this limit to exist. So we have to set that equal to 0, which gives you a equals 28. Right? So let's type it in. Not that one. Here. All right. So a is equal to 28. All right. So let's submit for testing. All right. It came back. Then seems like we got the correct a value. All right. Let's find the limit here. All right. So plugging in 28. So we're gonna get this. We have a limit as x approaches -2. Alright, and denominator, I'm going to go ahead and factor it out. So you're going to have x plus 2 times x minus 1. Alright, so if you plug in 28, so we're going to get, let's see, 4x squared. And then plus, we have 28x, right? And then 28 plus 12, so this is going to be plus 40. All right, so let's simplify the numerator here. So we have, so this guy right here, so everyone seems to have 4 in it, so I'm going to factor out 4. Then we have x squared plus, and that's going to be 7x and plus 10. Alright, then we have, so hopefully we can factor this out. So you have 4. Alright, so I'm going to have x plus 2 and x plus 5. Would that work? Multiply those two, get 10, add them up, we get 7. Alright, so we have actually a common factor here. So I'm going to cancel out the x plus 2 here and the x plus 2 there. Alright, then I'm going to just plug in x equals -2. So you have 4 times, alright, -2 plus 5 over, and plug in -2 minus 1. So this is going to be, this is 3 times 4, so it's a 12 over -3. So it's going to be -4. Right? So the limit is -4. Alright, so let's type it in. Limit is -4. Alright, let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.